Today we're making fall off the bone pork ribs in the oven. It only takes 4 ingredients, and just look at how tender and juicy they are. Start by rubbing BBQ Rub or seasoning on a rack of pork ribs, and you'll want to do both sides, coat them well. Cover with some plastic wrap and marinate for 2 to 4 hours or overnight. If you have a rib rack, you can use it. It's a lot easier. But if you don't, I like to use a broiler pan. Just cover the top pan with foil and make some slits so that the steam can escape. Fill the bottom portion of the pan with apple juice, about 3 cups, and then place the ribs on top. Seal them well in foil and bake at 225 for about 2 to 3 hours, depending on the type of ribs you have. So you can see that the bones have retracted from the ribs, and that indicates that they're done and fork tender. Spread them with your favorite barbecue sauce. Be careful when you flip them because they are fork tender and they can fall apart or break. So coat them with the sauce and put them back under a broiler for about 5 to 8 minutes, just until they get some color. And look at this, they're gorgeous. The broiler gives them a beautiful caramelized finish, and this is it, you're ready to eat. I like to separate baby back ribs into portions of 2 or 3 bones per person, and if I'm using pork spare ribs, maybe 2 bones. Just look at how tender they are. They're really succulent and juicy, perfect for family dinner. Make a batch of these fall off the bone ribs for someone you love tonight. Enjoy.